The Swachh Appliance Repair Service. Is your appliance not working? Washing machine stuck? AC not cooling? Or maybe your fridge is leaking? Don't worry. The Swachh is just a call away. Our technician arrives quickly. We inspect your appliance, fix wires, and replace parts as needed. Our certified technicians make sure everything works perfectly. We offer quick response, affordable pricing, and expert service. After repair, we show you how your appliance works again. Your appliance is back to normal in no time. Watch your child switch on the AC, or mom load the washing machine again. Book now for appliance repair, starting at just 299 rupees.